How to fix paper feed issues on the HP SmartTank 210, 520, 540, 580 through 590, and 5100 printer series. If your printer does not pick up or feed paper during a print job and you are receiving a load paper or out of paper message in the printer software or the attention and document lights are blinking, the printer might be experiencing paper feed issues. Step 1. Check the condition of the paper. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. Use only new, clean, and quality paper that meets printer specifications. First, slide the paper width guides outwards. Then, remove the stack of paper from the input tray. Examine the paper you removed, and then remove any pieces that are bent, wrinkled, torn, or a different size or type of paper. Check for and remove any obstructions inside the input tray. Even small pieces of paper can cause paper feed issues. With both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. Insert the stack of paper into the input tray. Then slide the paper width guides inward until they touch the edges of the paper. Make sure the paper loaded matches the paper size and type settings in the printer software, HP Smart App, or printer control panel. Step 2. Clean the paper rollers. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris might accumulate on the pickup roller and cause paper feed issues. Clean the paper rollers in the input tray. To clean the rollers, gather the following materials: a lint-free cloth or swab, and distilled or filtered water. Press the power button to turn the printer off. Unplug the power cord and disconnect all cables. If necessary, raise the input tray or remove any paper from the input tray. Lift and hold the input tray shield. Look down through the open input tray and find the gray paper pick rollers. You might need a flashlight to illuminate the area. Dampen a long cotton swab with distilled water and then squeeze out any excess water. Press the swab against the rollers and then rotate them upwards to clean the rollers. Apply a moderate amount of pressure to remove dust or dirt buildup. Allow the rollers to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, clean the paper rollers inside the printhead access area. Open the front door. Dampen a lint-free cloth with distilled water and then squeeze out any excess water. Locate the paper rollers inside the printer. Press the cloth against the rollers and then rotate the rollers upwards with your fingers. Apply a moderate amount of pressure to remove any dust or dirt buildup. Allow the rollers to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Close the front door. Insert the stack of paper into the input tray. Then slide the paper width guides inwards until they touch the edges of the paper. Reconnect the power cord. Press the power button to turn the printer on. Step 3. Reset the printer. Reset the printer to recover from printer errors or failures. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn the printer on and complete the reset. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.